Bonjour à tous, welcome back to Lingoni. I hope that you are doing well. I'm very happy to teach you again today. The topic of the day, as promised in previous lesson, we talked about near future with the verb aller, and today we are going to talk about recent past tense, le passé récent, and we will use the verb to come, venir, in present simple as well. So first of all, let me remind you. It goes, je viens, tu viens, il vient, nasal sound. Je viens, tu viens, il vient, exactly the same pronunciation, just a change with il, final T. Nous venons, we get rid of the I in the middle, very important. Nous venons, vous venez, and as you can see the pronunciation is like neutral E, venons, vous venez, and ils viennent. So the I comes back and it's an open E sound. And of course, the final ENT in plural is never pronounced. Je viens, tu viens, il vient. Nous venons, vous venez, ils viennent. This is what we are using to talk in passé récent. Le verbe venir, the preposition de, and a verb in infinitive. Translation in English would be I've just done this or that. Je viens de faire ceci ou cela. The idea of this lesson would be to mix venir de et aller faire quelque chose. It makes sense, I thought. It's like, okay, so I've just done that, so now I'm going to do this. All my sentences will be structured this way. So let's start with the first sentence. Je viens de finir mon exercice. Maintenant, je vais commencer une nouvelle leçon. Je viens de finir mon exercice. Maintenant, je vais commencer une nouvelle leçon. Je viens, je vais. Careful with the pronunciation. Tu viens de finir la vaisselle. Maintenant, tu vas sortir avec tes amis. Tu viens de finir la vaisselle. Maintenant, tu vas sortir avec tes amis. Viens, va. Il vient de boire son café. Maintenant, il va payer l'addition. Il vient de boire, de prendre, de finir son café. Maintenant, il va payer l'addition. Il vient de, il va. Nous venons d'aller au cinéma. Maintenant, nous allons parler du film. Nous venons d'aller au cinéma. Maintenant, nous allons parler du film. Nous venons de. Nous allons. Vous venez de vous réveiller. Vous venez de vous réveiller. Maintenant, vous allez vous doucher. Vous venez de vous réveiller. Maintenant, vous allez vous doucher. Vous venez, vous allez. Elles viennent de descendre du bus. Maintenant, elles vont monter dans le train. Elles viennent de descendre du bus. Maintenant, elles vont monter dans le train. Elles viennent, elles vont. Again, they've just done that and now they're going to do that. Ils viennent d'acheter un nouveau téléphone. Maintenant, ils vont l'utiliser. Ils viennent d'acheter un nouveau téléphone. Maintenant, ils vont l'utiliser. Ils viennent, ils vont. So what's important in this lesson? First, of course, avoid the confusion between to go and to come. Aller et venir. That's one thing. Make sure you know how to conjugate this verb in present simple. Make sure you remember they are third group verbs and they do not follow any logic. You can see they're both from the third group and they have nothing to do in the way you conjugate them. So that's important, just by heart. I'm often asked, like, give us some rules about the third group. It's very difficult. It's precisely the group we don't have any rules for. So, yeah. Aller, je vais, tu vas, il va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, just by heart. Venir, to come, Je viens, tu viens, il vient. Nous venons, forget about the I. Vous venez, ils viennent. The I is back and open A sound. Please, no ENT final. I mean, do not pronounce it. Write it, please, but do not pronounce it. It's very important. And now in the structure-wise, what's different, what's similar? Well, that we use this verb to structure the expression. Of course, they're expressing like very different things. One is something I'm about to do, and the other thing is something I've just done. So when I want to express something that I'm going to do, I use the verb aller, pretty much like in English. Je vais voyager demain. Okay. I'm going to travel tomorrow. Perfect. And when you use the expression I've just done that, then we need venir in present simple and the preposition. Je viens de plus infinitive. Finir, parler, manger, aller. That would be it for today. So I think it was nice to kind of review what we've just done or seen. For people who hadn't watched the lesson before, maybe you've more or less like got the gist of it, and learn a new one. Vocab-wise, maybe descendre du bus, get off the bus, would be new vocab. Monter dans le train, careful with the preposition here, dans le train. Payer l'addition, very important. Or demander l'addition, to ask for the bill or pay the bill. Demander l'addition, payer l'addition, faire la vaisselle, se réveiller, of course, and se doucher. Pronominal verbs. Remember to always use the je me douche, je me réveille. I hope this lesson was useful, guys. Remember to check lingoni.com if you want some more practice, and I'll see you very soon for a new lesson. Take good care. Au revoir.